Good morning. So it is Wednesday, April the 1st, and today is basically chapter 2 review. So I have posted for you in Blackboard under our daily assignments. I have posted the review solutions. Now, I know when you take the review on Blackboard, it does give you review on WebAssign, excuse me. I'm trying to keep all my platforms straight. When you take the review on WebAssign, it does give you the solutions, but it doesn't work it out for you. So what I've done is I've taken the review, because I kept it the same for everybody. I've taken the review and I've worked out the solutions. So I have posted that there for you, the chapter 2 WebAssign review solutions with the work. And so you are welcome to look at that. So if you notice on the review, I did not put anything on there from chapter 3 and then point 5. So nothing on there about graphing rational functions. I decided not to, because we didn't get to do that in person, because that is something you kind of have to do in person. So if you are going into higher math, you'll want to keep those notes around. Just as you get into other classes, they will utilize those things. So those can be helpful as you go into higher math, but I did not and will not put any of those on the test. So a couple of things about the test. So it will be 20 questions long, so very similar to a normal written test that I would give in class. It will open at 9 a.m., so it will come available on WebAssign at 9 a.m. Central Time. Make sure to say that, because apparently that's been an issue. It will close at 11:59 on Friday. So it's open from 9 to midnight on Friday only. Okay, do not ask me to extend it. You have 2 hours to take it. It will be timed. And so once you start the test, the clock starts. Once you open the file, the clock starts. And so just don't open it and look at it, because your clock starts then. So, and I will not again reset it. So this is your responsibility. Make sure you have a good internet connection. If you do not have a good internet connection, I recommend you go somewhere and get a good internet connection. So if you're in Alva, the library is still open, and so you are welcome to use it. If you're in other cities, know that most libraries have Wi-Fi, and they are giving out the password for their Wi-Fi, so you can go sit outside and take it of the library, or ask a church or ask a friend to maybe sit outside their house and do it. Okay, whatever's working in your community. But again, make the effort, because we've got to finish these courses. And so again, you're having to take responsibility. We don't have the option of paper pencil work. So we've got to do it this way. So the review, I made the review very similar to, I made the test very similar to the review. So the same type of questions that you would have seen on the review in WebAssign. Tonight, so Wednesday, April 1st, tonight at, let me make sure I have your time right, because I have 2. Tonight at 6 o'clock, we will have a Zoom review session. It is totally optional. You don't have to be there. I would encourage you to be there, but you do not have to be there. And with that, you can ask any questions that you have from the review. You can ask questions from the homework. You can ask questions from the notes. And I can work problems there for you. I have a 2-hour time window there for us from 6 to 8. And then I have another review at 8. So 2 hours there. And that will hopefully set us up for success for Friday. So I do ask on your test. So I know that this is online. I know that I am not right there with you. But I do ask that the only thing you use on your test is your book, if you have one, your notes, and a calculator. So please understand that if you are using anything else other than that, you are cheating, and it is academic dishonesty. Will I ever know? No, probably not, unless you make 100 on the test and you haven't made a 60 on a test in front of me. Will I question it? Yeah, probably. But there's nothing I can do about it at this point. I don't feel I can require the lockdown browser because everybody doesn't have access to that, and that does cost. So I'm not requiring that. But I do ask that you maintain a level of integrity as you take your test on Friday, and that you do your best and show me what you know. So. Again, tonight, 6 p.m., I will be available on Zoom. It's like me right there with a chalkboard because I have a document camera and you can see exactly what I'm writing. So just make sure that you have a good internet connection and you'll be good to go. So again, if you have any questions, reach out. Some of you guys are doing great. As I'm watching you do things, you have watched the videos, you've looked at the notes, you've taken the quizzes. Some of you guys are doing great. Others, and you may not even want to see this, others I'm concerned about as to whether you're getting on and doing things every day. And we only have a month to do this. We will be done by the end of the month. Our final will be earlier than expected because we don't have the in-class review that we normally would have. So if you will give me a month, we will be done with this. So we just have 2 more chapters, or really 1.5 more chapters to go, chapter 4 and chapter 6, and then we'll be done. So give me that, and we will help you be successful and move on with life. So again, hopefully I see you guys tonight in the review session, 6 p.m. on Zoom. The link to it is in the Blackboard announcement, Week at a Glance. So make sure that you look for the link. My Zoom ID is my office phone number, 580-327-8586. So if you don't have the link, you can just join the meeting by putting in the office number, 580-327-8586. Okay, have a great day, and I will hopefully see you tonight.